Hi everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install the Facebook pixel code in GoHighLevel and track different activities. We will be setting up the pixel on a three-step funnel. Here is how our funnel is structured. Step 1, a survey page. Step 2, calendar booking page. And step 3, thank you page. Our tracking plan is very simple. When someone lands on the first page from a Facebook ad, we will track it as a page view. Since a user can only reach the schedule page after submitting the survey, we will track that as a lead. Finally, to reach the thank you page, they must confirm their appointment. So on this page, we will track it as a schedule or appointment booked. Now let's start by seeing how to create a Facebook pixel code from scratch. First, we will head over to business.facebook.com. On the left-hand navigation bar, scroll down and click on Settings. From the menu on the left, click on Data Source and then select Datasets and Pixels. Here you will see a list of your existing datasets if you have any. Since we are starting fresh, click on the Add button to create a new dataset. Give your dataset a name, something easy to recognize later, and then click Create button. Once your dataset is created, click on Event Manager to proceed with the setup. Now we need to click on Setup Metapixel. From the options that appear, select the Install Code Manually button. You will now see a base code script on your screen. Simply click to copy code, and once that's done, we will head back to our GoHighLevel funnel. Now let's go to our funnel settings in GoHighLevel. Look for the head tracking code section and simply paste the script we copied. If you look closely at the code, you will see a line that says FBQ track page view. This means that whenever this script runs, it automatically tracks a page view. This is a Facebook pixel base code. By placing it here in the global settings, we ensure that the page view event is active on every single page within this funnel. However, for specific actions like leads or bookings, we need to set up standard event scripts on the individual pages. Let's do that next. Before we move on, let's copy this specific line, FBQ track page view. And most importantly, don't forget to save your changes in the funnel settings. Now we will open the editor for our schedule booking page. Go to the top menu and select tracking code, then header tracking code. First, we need to add the HTML script tag. Also, script closing tag. Inside those tags, paste the line we just copied. Now, simply replace the word page view with lead. By doing this, whenever someone lands on this specific page, the lead event will automatically fire. Our setup for this page is complete. Now let's copy this modified code and move over to our thank you page. We will do the same thing here. We will go to the tracking code, header tracking, and paste the code we copied. Now we will replace the word lead with schedule and save the changes. And that's it. By setting up your tracking this way, you can accurately see how many people are just visiting your page, how many are booking leads, and how many are actually booking appointments. This data is crucial for optimizing your Facebook ads and growing your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Ryzen Solution for more professional tips. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.